Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your maths teacher. How is it going? I hope that you are doing good and staying safe at home. Welcome to mathematics class grade 6. Congratulations that you have passed 5th grade and now you are in senior campus. Value of the week is always smile. Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile and start again. Smiling is good for our health in a number of ways. It can reduce stress, help heart health, lower blood pressure, and boost our immune system. It also makes us look good in eyes of others. This tutorial video is about mathematics introduction for grade 6. Preview. Introduction, syllabus, notebook pattern. What is mathematics? Mathematics is the science that deals with the logic of shape, quantity and arrangement. Maths is all around us in everything we do. It is the building block for everything in our daily lives, including mobile devices, architecture, art, money, engineering and even sports. Since the beginning of recorded history, mathematics discovery has been at the forefront of every civilized society and in use in even the most primitive of cultures. The needs of maths arose based on the wants of society. The more complex a society, the more complex the mathematical needs. Primitive tribes needed little more than the ability to count, but also relied on math to calculate the position of the sun and the physics of hunting. Several civilizations contributed to mathematics as we know it today. Mathematicians developed arithmetics, which included basic operations, demas, fractions, and square roots. They also developed elaborate calendar systems and were skilled astronomers. As civilizations developed, mathematicians began to work with geometry, which computes areas and volumes to make angular measurements and has many practical applications. Geometry is used in everything from house constructions, fashion, and interior designs. Geometry went hand in hand with algebra, invented in the 9th century by a Persian mathematician Muhammad Musa al-Khwarizmi. He also developed quick methods for multiplying and dividing numbers, which are known as algorithms. Algebra offered civilizations a way to divide inheritances and allocate resources. The study of algebra meant mathematicians were solving linear equations and systems as well as quadratics. Syllabus for this session. This book includes 13 chapters. First 7 chapters: sets, whole numbers, fractions and multiples, integers, simplifications, ratio and proportion, financial arithmetics. These chapters are about arithmetics. And chapter number 8 and 9, Introduction to Algebra and Linear Equations, they are about algebras. And chapter number 10, Geometry, Perimeters and Areas, and Three-Dimensional Solids. These 3 chapters are about geometry. And the last chapter, chapter number 13, Information Handling, is about statistics. Now we will discuss pattern page of Maths notebook, as it makes your notebook presentable and worth reading. Presentable notebook also helps students to develop a catalog of what they have practiced, compile strategies that help them to be successful, and provide a way for them to reflect back everything they have learned throughout the course. These are some rules. Number 1, write neatly and legibly. Second, don't leave any page blank. Third, number the page. Put the page number on the right side of page only. Number 4, keep index page up to date. 6. Draw margin lines on left side of your notebook page with blue marker. 7th, write day and date on top of the left sides of the page. Number 8, write the unit number with blue markers beside the margin line and underline it. Number 9, write the name of the unit in the middle of the page and underline it. Number 10, write exercise number, then question number with markers and underline them. 11. Make sure all the underlying is done with marker. Number 12. Write solutions besides the margin line. Number 13. After completing the solution of the questions, draw ending line with markers. 14. Don't tear any page of your notebook. Activity. Here is an activity for you. Write your New Year academic resolution regarding subject mathematics. Think about your weak areas which you want to improve in this year. Write about it and send your resolution to your maths teacher. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.